Priced at just $17,500, this 2016 Kubota K008-3 is an incredible opportunity for anyone looking for a compact, reliable, and affordable excavator. Whether you're a landscaper, a tradie, or a contractor working in tight spaces, this machine is designed to handle the job with ease. With only 1,300 hours, this excavator has been well maintained and is in great condition, ensuring you get reliable performance for years to come. It comes fully equipped with a half hitch, 300mm and 450mm general purpose buckets, plus a mud bucket, making it versatile enough to tackle digging, trenching, and cleanup tasks on any site. One of the standout features of the K008 is its tight access capability. This machine is compact enough to fit through standard doorways, making it the perfect solution for jobs where space is limited. Whether you're working in residential areas, backyards, or confined construction sites, this excavator will get the job done efficiently without compromising on power. At this price, a machine like this won't last long. If you're looking for a cost-effective, durable, and high-performing mini excavator, don't miss out on this one. We can also assist with transport and finance, and trade-ins are welcome. As Australia's largest Kubota dealer, we are trading new machines every week, so if this one doesn't suit your needs, let us know what you're looking for. We might have the perfect machine for you. Why not ask about our current stock and upcoming trade-ins? To inspect and find out more, call Matho today. All of the details are in the description below.